Very good morning to all my dear students of class 5. Okay, today we are going to study a new chapter, chapter number 6, hot or cold. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about weather and climate, factors affecting climate changes in present times. Okay, the change which takes place in the atmosphere is called weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere over a short period of time. If the weather pattern of a particular region is recorded and tracked for more than 30 years, it is called the climate of that region. One can say that climate is the long-term pattern of weather in a particular area. Earth is a unique planet, as you know. Different parts of the world have different climates. In some regions, it is cool and freezing, and in other, it is hot and dry. The variety of life that exists on Earth is because of the climate difference that are present in different regions. Okay, now let's learn about the differences between weather and climate. So what are the differences between weather and climate? Okay, there are several differences between weather and climate. Weather is the atmospheric condition that prevails for a very short period of time, and climate is atmospheric condition for a long period of time. Weather may change in a day, while climate may change after a long period of time. The daily life of people is affected by weather, whereas the climate has an effect on food habits, transportation, housing, occupation, and lifestyle. Okay, next one we are going to study about the factors affecting the climate. There are many factors which affect the climate of a place. I'm going to show you with the help of this picture. Okay, the first factor affecting the climate of a place is latitude. The region which lies in the equatorial region from 0 to 23.5 degree north, that is known as Tropic of Cancer, and 0 degree to 23.5 degrees south, known as Tropic of Capricorn, gets heated by the intense rays of the sun. Places that are located or near the equator get direct rays of the sun almost throughout the year. This region is called the Torrid Zone. Look at the picture. The Torrid Zone is labeled with a yellow color. Okay, some of the places which lie in this zone are Brazil, Malaysia, Hawaii, etc. These places have a wet climate, warm temperature, and gets heavy rainfall. Okay, the region which lie between 23.5 degree north, that is known as Tropic of Cancer, and 66.5 degree north, that is known as Arctic Circle, and between 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle. These places, they experiences moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. This is called the temperate zone. As you can see in the picture, the temperate zone is labeled with a green color. In most cases, these places have warm summer and cold winter, with a moderate rainfall in either summer or winter. Okay, the last one is the Frigid Zone. The rays of the sun fall slanting at the poles. The region which lie between 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle, to 90 degree north, and 66.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle, to 90 degrees south, are called Frigid Zones. These regions are extremely cold and covered with snow throughout the year. These are also called the polar zones. And as you can see in the pictures, the frigid zone is labeled with a blue color. In simple word, we can say, as we move away from the equator, the rays of the sun tend to become more slanting and cover larger area. This reduces their intensity greatly. This is why polar area, which are at the farthest distance from the equator, are also so cold throughout the year. Okay, my dear students, this was for today. Next class, we are going to continue with the same chapter. Till then, stay home and stay safe.